So for my second test today, I went to Gemini and I said, I have a lot of spam in my Gmail account. Please write a simple program that I can easily run on my MacBook Pro Apple M1 chip so that when I get to a point where there are a selection of emails, it will automatically unsubscribe from the email using my bobrap@gmail.com account. Now Gemini said basically that's not very easy to do, and then it pointed me to some features I could use and some manual work. But I took the same prompt and I gave it to ChatGPT 4.0, and it says, well, you can create a Python script. So you would do bash, right? You do an install of this library. Then you would write a Python script that basically says import some foo, right? And beautiful soup, which is a screen scraper essentially, says put in your credentials. By the way, never share your credentials with anyone in the real world. Connect to IMAP, right? Go to the inbox, search all, and then go to basically what you're searching for is the unsubscribe link, which in most emails is at the bottom. So I thought it was interesting that it did such a different version of this. And of course, now what I'm going to go do is ask the same question to Copilot, and because Microsoft is noted for some pretty cool stuff that they're doing both with Copilot and with GitHub, and GitHub Actions particularly is pretty interesting. So I thought about this one that was kind of interesting. It said, enable the Gmail API, so application programming interface, go to the console, go, basically anytime you're working with an API, we're going to have some sort of way to create a credentials file to put in your certificate or your auth or whatever it is. Then it says, here's what you would do. It's all pretty simple stuff, right? You're just sort of logging in, checking credentials, and then you're essentially flagging messages and running the script in a directory that you probably want to set up to be for unsubscription. So that was interesting. Let's keep going.